Christmas salad, perfect to share with the family, is delicious and very easy to make. I will start by adding 1 liter of water in a saucepan. Then I will add a chicken breast, previously washed. Also, 2 sprigs of celery, 2 pieces of carrot, 2 cloves of garlic cut in half, a teaspoon of salt. I will cover the saucepan and let cook over high heat for 15 minutes. After this time, I will remove the breast and let it cool for a few minutes. When I know they're cooled a little, with the help of 2 forks, I will crumble the chicken breast, this way as I am doing. Take advantage of this moment and leave me here below which country or city you are seeing us, to thank you for seeing our recipes. And so we should stay. In another saucepan, I will add 250 grams of colored noodles, a teaspoon of salt and stir a little to incorporate it into the noodles. I will cover the saucepan and let cook over medium heat for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I will turn off the fire and drain the water from the noodles. Next, in a bowl I will add 100 milliliters of cream. Also half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use the brand of your preference or the most economical. A pinch of black pepper and mix well to incorporate the ingredients. If you've seen this recipe so far, it's a sign that you're enjoying this recipe, so drop us a line below, "Excellent Christmas salad," to send you a greeting on the next recipe. And in this way we must have our dressing. In a rectangular refractory, I will add the shredded chicken breast I had reserved. Then I will add the 250 grams of noodles I have cooked. Half a red pepper cut into very small cubes. A finely cut red onion. A little chives finely chopped. Half a can of cooked mixed vegetables. This contains carrot, pigeon peas and corn. The dressing I just prepared with the cream and mayonnaise. A little dehydrated parsley, but if it has fresh, much better. Now with the help of 2 spoons I will incorporate all the ingredients. Tell me here below which city or country you are seeing us, to thank you for seeing our recipes. The greeting in today's recipe is for Ma Lerma, who looks at us from Philippines, and Nancy Freeland, who looks at us from United States. Thanks to these 2 followers for always seeing our recipes. And already our Christmas salad is ready. Observe how delicious I know. I recommend making it at home to enjoy with the family. I hope you liked this recipe, although I would like you to rate it, from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. If you have come seeing this recipe so far, leave me below the next word, tasty salad, to know that you saw the recipe until the end. Thank you for seeing this recipe until the end. Tell me if it is the first time you see one of my recipes. I send you a big hug. God bless you. See you in the next recipe.